Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ganesh.
And I'm Sumaya.
So today it's gonna be my judgment day, guys. Today is the story time, which you guys always wanted. So yes, without any further ado, we'll get started.
People who know me, they must be knowing that the first thing I love to talk about is my story. I just keep telling to my friends, my colleagues, people who work with me, everyone. But Ganesh never shared his side of story. What was his experiences? How did he feel when he saw me for the first time? Neither he told me till now. I got to know from his friends here and there. Maybe Ramya knows the most of Ganesh side of story. So apart from Ramya, he's gonna share it with all of you guys for the first time ever.
So it's going to be a quick Q&A type story time. So Sumaya is going to ask a few questions to me and I have to answer them all without any preparation, guys. So yes, this is the first time we are ever doing. So it's like an interview for us. So
Not for me.
not for her, but at least for me. So I'm very scared, guys. So yeah, let's get
You
started.
don't have to be scared, baby. You just have to tell how did you feel when you met me.
I'm sweating. Okay.
Okay. So my first question is, what made you come to Hyderabad?
Oh my God. So one of the main reason for me coming to Hyderabad was I was going through a tough time in Delhi. So there was a breakup which had happened during that time. So I was in a relationship. I'm not going to tell who that girl is. So I was in a relationship and I had a breakup and I was very much disturbed, guys. So that's the reason. And I so wanted to get out of Delhi. And that's the reason and explore new places. I love traveling, so I wanted to explore new places, and that is the only reason for me coming to Hyderabad. And with the God's help, I got an opportunity to stay in Hyderabad for 3 months. So that was very much helpful for me. That's the reason I came to Hyderabad.
So how long were you in relationship with your breakup with the girl with whom you had recent breakup before meeting me?
So
I know it was a very long relationship, and I heard a lot from his friends that he even cried after breakup.
So guys, obviously she's digging my past. I just don't want to remember all these things. So yeah, it was for like just 1.5 or 2 years, but it was very at least special. Very special for me. I don't know about her. It was really very special for me, guys. So
it's okay. Yeah. You're lucky you have me. Okay. What did you feel, or what was your first thought when you saw me for the first time in the training room?
So, okay guys, so I'm going to tell you a brief story, okay? So when I joined this company, okay, it was for 3 months, okay guys? So for the first 2 months, I did not even see her in my entire training course, okay? And it was the last month before I was leaving to Delhi is when I met Sumaya, okay? And so I vividly remember all these things. So myself and one of my friend Arjun, okay, we were selected for one of the training rooms. So we both went, and as usual, we are the backbenchers. We are the backbenchers, guys. So I've always, because of my height, one, and because of the things that we do. And there was this girl sitting next to Arjun. And Arjun, guys, so he's one guy who always wants to flirt with girls. Okay, so that's the reason he did not allow me to sit next to her. So it was this. There were like 4 seats.
Arjun was not like that. He is very nice person.
He is nice guy, but he is a flirt big time. I know about him. Okay, better than you do. Okay, so there were like 4 seats, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I was sitting here, Arjun was here. There was this empty seat in between, and Sumaya was at the corner seat next to the wall. Okay, and I started talking like generally how the session is going to be and all those stuff, and we were talking in Tamil. Okay, and the patient though ki how it's going to be. Then all of a sudden, I think Arjun started talking to me like, who is this girl? We have never seen this girl before. Do you think we should talk to her? Karke. Seriously, as you pretending as if you don't know. Okay,
I know, that's why I'm laughing.
So she was like, he was like.
He was talking in Tamil, guys.
Yes, we were talking. The
Thinking
entire
that I don't know Tamil.
the entire conversation was going in Tamil because half of the population sitting next to us did not know
North
Tamil,
Indian,
and we
North
were typical gullies. What do you call Tamil speaking guys? Local Tamil speaking guys with all the good words. Okay, coming out of our beautiful mouth. So yeah, so. We were just talking about who this girl is, and I think we should be talking. We should start the conversation and all those stuff. But guys, you will not believe this girl. I mean, this now she's not a girl. This lady, she had pretty much attitude at the next level. Okay.
No. He's getting me wrong. See,
No,
my character is I will not talk to an opposite person until and unless they come and talk to me. Maybe that's why people think that I have a lot of attitude. But then once they come and talk to me, I'm very, very friendly and I be very good to them. But then unless and until they come and talk to me, I don't talk to anyone. I think people would think that I'm over friendly. So that's my character. I don't talk to people very quickly. I take a lot of time. So that's why Ganesh and all his friends thought I have a lot of attitude issues. And even my friends who are friends now, they thought I have attitude issues.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't know many people who have character like me.
Okay, so so he started the conversation. He started asking, "Who are you? From where are you?" and all those stuff. And I was like, "Arey, he's started again. This guy, Arjun, again started." So there was this break which had happened, and we all went outside for lunch. Okay, and Arjun, as usual, he came late. So I came early, and I was sitting. I came early to the class. I was sitting alone. Then she came, and that is when I started the conversation. I asked her, "Hi, I'm Ganesh. What's your name?" And she ignored me bluntly. Okay, go, just get lost. That was the attitude. First meet, that was the attitude.
Yeah, because I didn't knew him and that was not the thing. I was wearing a scarf. Then you said, "Are you feeling cold?" That's when I ignored you. I did not.
And they already had this. She had a group. Okay, they already had this perception that Arjun and I are big time flirt and very bad boys. Okay, we don't have anything to do in life, and we just come here to flirt with girls. That was the attitude. Okay, and that's the reason she was avoiding me.
It's not like that. See, I had
one of the reason.
I had other friend of mine. He told that see, you be aware of these two guys. They are very bad. They are big time flirt. So stay away. He just told me to be very cautious about them. That's why I didn't wanted to talk to them.
Yeah. So see guys, so how pop I am.
It was a small question, very big answer. Yeah. That's why he always scored good in school.
I was a topper, guys. So yeah.
So he thought that I have a lot of attitude issues and I don't talk to people. I don't talk to people, that's true, unless and until they come and talk to me. But I don't have attitude issues. What made you ask my number when you pinged me on Facebook?
The moment came when Arjun and I were talking, okay, and she started laughing for our joke. Okay, that is the moment when we realized that this lady knows Tamil. Oh my God, we were so shocked and we were talking all the nonsense in Tamil. And she was hearing everything, she was understanding everything.
And I was laughing.
And we both were like completely shocked. We just saw her and we asked, "Do you know Tamil?" She was like, "Yeah, my dad is from Trichy." I was like, "What?"
And then they told Pochida Sami.
Pochida Sami. We just told Amma. that was the first time, the first conversation that it all started.
So, what was that moment, or how did you fall in love with me? Can you just tell your viewers?
Okay, guys. So it all started like once I took her number through Facebook. I started talking to her, and I felt that she is a pretty nice girl. Okay. Then one fine day in office, I gifted her
Silk.
Cadbury Silk. Yeah.
That was the first time.
That
they
was the
launched
first time, huh?
it. They launched it.
That was the first time it was launched. Okay, so that was a big bar of. I still remember it was for 100 rupees then, guys. So,
Big thing.
big thing for me. So I just gifted her that, and she was super impressed. And then I think asked her if she could help me out buying pearls because I wanted to gift pearls to my mom, then my aunt and
Sister.
and my sister. So yeah, so she said okay, she can accompany me doing that, and yeah, I was like okay. She's not saying no to me. I thought she would just ignore me, but yeah, she's pretty much interested. So yeah, so I still remember that it was Sunday. Okay.
Yeah.
It was Sunday, yeah, it was Sunday, and she had told me that she would take me to Charminar, okay, and she told me that she would pick me in a bike at around 2 o'clock, okay, and I told her, okay, you come and meet at this point, Subway. There was a Subway in what was it? Whitefields. There was the Subway in Whitefields. I was waiting there. Okay, I was waiting there, guys. So she made me wait for
2 hours.
no. She made me wait for at least 1.5 hours in that peak summer of May. Okay, and I already ate 2 Subways. I ate 2 cookies. I had bought little bit of chocolates also, and that also got melted. Okay, and madam came after like 2 hours, 1.5 or 2 hours. She came and she was sorry, I got late. There was so much traffic. She was just giving all the nonsense bahanas. Okay, and I was like, okay, ladki hai na, chhod dete hain. She's a girl. Let's leave. So when I sat in that just next to as a pillion rider, when I sat, that moment I felt that feeling.
I didn't know.
She didn't know. Okay, I felt that feeling. There was some कहते हैं ना, there was a spark or like that current कहते हैं ना, current pass होता है. That thing came. I mean, it never happened. Obviously, it happened with me. It happened with
Many
me
times.
but this was something different. Okay. Because I've never sat in ride, so I was little scared how she's going to drive and all those, how she's going to ride and all those stuff. So yeah, so she just took that bike and she just raced that bike to Charminar. So on that way we were just talking about from where I am and what she does and all those stuff. And she rode so beautifully, guys. So I was like, wow, she can ride so nicely, and I was super impressed. So we went to Charminar. So she had one of her friend who joined. I think what's his name? Mahesh. His name was Mahesh. So he had joined, and we all 3 went to one pearl shop, and we did the shopping. We bought pearls, and there was this expensive pearl. Okay, and I was like, okay, if I buy, it will go beyond my budget. If I don't buy, I was so impressed with her. I wanted to impress her with buying a pearl and gifting her, and that's the reason I bought that set. And I told it to pack it separately, and I packed it one for my mom, all my aunties, and my sister.
And he marked it as S.
Yeah, I especially asked him to mark it as S so that it doesn't get mixed up. So once we were done with the shopping, we are heading towards our home. So we had to cross the Necklace Road. During that ride, that is when I started liking her. I would not say like I fell in love with her. I started liking her. I just wanted to spend most of my time. The time which I was there in Hyderabad, I think it was just for 15 more days, I believe.
Yeah.
I was in Hyderabad. I just wanted to spend the entire time with her only. So I started impressing her more by singing some good songs, random jukebox. It was like a complete jukebox, guys, for 20 songs, I believe. So we went to straight, before going to my home, we went to this place, Necklace Road, and we were sitting there. And I gifted that pearl set to her, and I told her like I just wanted to buy this for you. And she started, she got so much, she got emotional, guys. So, and that is when I realized how sensitive she is. Okay, and even I started liking her more. Because I always wanted a girl who would react to these stuff. Okay, so I gave her this gift, and she got even more sensitive. I mean, she got emotional, and while going back again, I started my jukebox. And when we reached there, I got down, and I was expecting a hug from her. Okay, and she just gave a side hug like this, and she just
Went back.
And I was just walking to my home like this. Yaar, ye kya ho gaya? What just happened to me? I mean, it was so beautiful. I think I shouldn't have leave her. I was just waiting for her to reach her home, and I could start the conversation. Thank you so much, guys, for patiently listening to our video. Because this video was getting a little longer, we decided to cut it into two halves. The second half would be more interesting, guys. I'll be telling you how I approached her and how I convinced my parents. So please do watch for that video, and we would expect some comments from you guys. How did you like it?